the Mix Lovelies and friends. And on this mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is talking about Marcia and also the landlord Erica and more. And you have to go catch a video to hear what he has to say about this. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. For all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Whatever cause them a wire for doesn't really make sense. Most days, mostly grown people. Most days, most are on a get up. We say, okay, what are we? Where we are gonna listen today? Who we are gonna bring on today? You know, Porty, you used to be a really nice person. You did. When Porty, you used to be a really nice person. I remember when we used to call him by your page and we used to sing. We used to look at worship a man in time. Worship, sing, read scriptures. Karaoke's. The winners get credit. Where did that, which part of the person gone? Where is that person gone, Porty? I know you think what you're doing, it's content, but it's not content. This is not content, Erica. You get up every, I remember when you used to come out here and drag me to nothing, even drag my mother. My mother had nothing to do with social media, but you dragged her because you felt this was the only way you could win a battle or a war. I don't know what war you was fighting, but that's how you fought your war. And when you fight very dirty. Very dirty. This is not content, Erica. You get up every day. Go and read your captions. This is past obsession. All of those people supporting you, Ona is obsessed too with bringing down each other, bringing down people, bringing down your sisters, your brothers. It should not take me, a cripple. It should not take me, a fully disabled man, to recognize these signs. This is past obsession. Every day, Erica, you get up. Every day you get up. Kakai Masia. Every day, Erica. Go and look at your captions, Erica. It's a fine line. It is a fine line. There is a fine line in how we do things out here. And I feel like you have not grasped those fundamental principles. Because Mafise, in fact, at this point, on our bully, you people are bullies. And a lot of you is sitting back out here and watching these people bully each other. Grown-ass women and men. And you know, say, me, I'm gonna take our 360 for now. Let's move 360 for now. Because him rarely come out here, but when he does, he does. Let's focus on Erica and Curly. Let's focus on the two of them. 360, me I give you a pass for now. I'm gonna give you a pass for now. I'm gonna give you a pass right now. Let's take you out. Let's focus on Erica and Kylie. Porty, when did you become this nasty? Me not argue with you. I'm not argue with you. I'm not arguing with nobody out here. Me not argue that soul. But I'm asking questions. When did you become this toxic, hateful human being? Erica, if this is the only way you can make money, I think at this point you need to give up. You need to give up because what you're doing out here is outright bullying people. You are a bully. Don't you see what you do? You watch Marcia Campbell. I'm not defending Curly because Curly too is a nasty piece of work. Yes, nasty piece of work. A very nasty one, very filthy. But somebody have to be the bigger person. Somebody have to be the bigger person. This is the only way it's gonna stop. Erica, for as long as I can remember, and I'm not cursing, for as long as I can remember, this is what you do. You're a bully. I don't know what went wrong with you, Porty. But this person you become was never you. Was never you. This was never you. The person I remember was so jovial, so loving, so wanting to give. Even if you're gaining too, you was willing to give. And then you become this monster. Don't you see? You have become a monster, Erica. I mean, no see how it cost me. But darling, I don't care. I don't care. All of those people who gets up every day on your live stream just to curse out Kaka Eye, Cyclops, Jackfruit Belly. Me call her the name I want to call her. Want to get up every day just to beat this woman and beat her and beat till there's no beats left to beat. People, me talk to on a live stream right now. Me know say our numbers are very little, but that's fine. When are we going to take a stand and say enough of this? Curly comes out most days and bullies Donegal. Most days Curly come out here and curse Donegal. I listened to 2 live streams and it was just cursing Donegal. Her sister. From another mister, her sister. All of these women on here, I want to sister them from another mister. The well I want to know. All of you women on here, even if one is not blood related, one is still sisters because the well we, even me, I'm not a sister, but I'm a brother. We've all endured struggles. The well we got through a lot of struggles. Not one of us was born with gold spoons in our mouths. Not one of us. And every day what God make, every day, I swear to God, I've been analyzing the world. I really have been analyzing you people. Don't call her Erica. Make she cuss me. Don't call her no slumber. Her name is Erica. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. No disrespect. No disrespect. You know, most of you people who supports Erica, I know for a fact you people are not true Plank Nation. Plank Nation are loving, peaceful people. Loving. so giving, wanting to help all the time. Anything they see that touches their hearts, You say, let's help this person. Let's do this, let's do that. Let's build this person a home. Let's get this person some groceries. You people are not planks. Or maybe if you are planks, you people are just